Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm finally uploading a video of the RD. It's the assembly video. It's part one. I'm going to probably do either 2 or 3 parts on putting the motor back together. Just want to keep the videos a little short just because watch me put an RD motor back together for half an hour is probably pretty boring. So yeah, hope you all enjoy. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what I could be doing differently. Yeah, so y'all enjoy. This one's happening there. That's a lot better. Quite a bit. Alrighty guys, here it is. Finally, the RD350 motor is starting to look like, well, a motor. So I got all the seals in, got the gears in. So the next step is to take it from here, put it in the bike, but it's really laid out right now. There's coyotes around. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night, but the next part of this video is gonna come to you in 3, 2, 1, now. Alrighty guys, as you just saw, the pistons are now in. So now we can take the motor from here, put it in the bike. Really excited about this. It's a big moment, big things. Just trying to do big things out here by myself. There we go, just that easy. Front, right up, there we go. Boom, motor's in the bike. Hurrah. All right, so next, go ahead and get the bolts in. Alrighty, bike is bolted back in. That rear bolt I don't have all the way in yet because there's another bracket on the other side here that goes with it. But yeah, looking good. So next step, I'm going to be putting the cylinders on. We'll put the cylinder heads on, get those torqued down. I like to get all this sealed up tonight so I don't have a bunch of stuff sitting around so it doesn't rust. So yeah, next step is get the cylinders on. All right guys, I hope you liked that video. I'll be editing up part 2 here shortly. I also got another fishing video I got to edit. So if you do, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. Y'all have a good night.